In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "A network error occurred" message in Google Sheets. This error usually appears when Google Sheets cannot keep a stable connection to the file. In many cases, the cause is a weak internet connection, outdated browser data, a browser extension conflict, offline mode problems, or a device-specific issue. Google's official troubleshooting guides recommend starting with the basics first, because many of these errors clear up after a reload and a few quick checks. First, reload the spreadsheet and wait a few minutes. Google says some Sheets errors can resolve on their own, so waiting about 5 minutes and then reloading the page is a good first step. If you made edits before the error appeared, copy any unsaved changes first, then reload the sheet and paste them back in after the file opens again. Next, check your internet connection. If your connection is weak or unstable, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network, reconnect your internet, or try a wired connection if you're on a computer. Google specifically notes that poor connectivity can trigger editing and loading errors in Docs editors, including Sheets. If the problem continues, clear your browser cache and cookies. Google says old cached files and cookies can interfere with Sheets, so clearing them is one of the standard fixes. After that, open the file again and sign back into your Google account if needed. Another common fix is turning off browser extensions. Google recommends disabling browser plugins or extensions because they can interfere with how Sheets loads and syncs. If the spreadsheet works after you disable them, then one of those extensions is likely causing the problem. You should also test another browser or device. Google says that if the file opens on a different browser or another computer, then the issue is probably specific to your current browser or device. It also helps to make sure your browser is fully updated and supported. If you use offline access, try turning it off and back on. Google's help pages say offline mode only works properly in Chrome or Microsoft Edge, not in private browsing. And it depends on the Google Docs offline extension being enabled. If offline settings are not working correctly, toggling offline access can help fix loading and sync issues. And finally, if the spreadsheet belongs to someone else, make sure you actually have permission to open it. Sometimes the message looks like a network problem, but access settings can also block the file from opening correctly. Google also suggests trying another account with shared access if needed. So the full fix is simple: reload the sheet, copy unsaved changes if needed, check your internet, clear cache and cookies, disable extensions, try another browser or device, reset offline access, and confirm you have permission to open the file. In most cases, one of those steps solves the error. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.